When Money Control Pro began its journey, who would have imagined that a paid digital service will cross 1 million mark? Heartiest congratulations to Money Control Pro in achieving this milestone. It's testimony to quality of your research, ease of operating your app, and most importantly, the reward which one gets while using the same.
In this age of free content everywhere on the internet, it is amazing to see MC Pro or Money Control Pro get 1 million paying subscribers in India. I mean, I've been a follower and user of Money Control for a very long time. Congratulations on this great achievement.
I take this opportunity to wish the Money Control team heartiest congratulations on this amazing achievement of reaching 1 million paid subscribers. I wish you many, many, many more years of continued and great success.
This is a fantastic achievement. As a regular user of the site, I've seen how the content has improved. And over the years, it's become the go-to site for anybody who wants to keep track of the Indian markets, the Indian economy, all the stories, all the analysis. So congrats to the team. All the hard work that has gone into that has allowed you to reach this 1 million mark. And I'm confident that this is just a milestone along the way to even future growth and many, many years of delivering great content and great analysis.
Reaching 10 lakh customers on Money Control Pro is quite a feat. I've always enjoyed the depth of coverage and the analysis that you have. And this is just a milestone that will bring many, many more. And best wishes to the Money Control team for reaching this milestone and for the future.
As we celebrate the Festival of Lights and Pink October, I'd like to congratulate Money Control on reaching this milestone of 1 million subscribers. I wish you sparkle, I wish you joy and continued success.
A very hearty congratulations to the Money Control and specifically the Money Control Pro team for achieving this very significant milestone of 1 million subscribers. It is not easy to achieve 1 million subscribers in a paid capacity in over the internet. So, and I think that is a testament to the value that is being provided to customers because they are able to take money out of their pockets and spend for something. That implies they are finding value in that particular analysis, which is fairly in-depth, incisive, and obviously adds value to the people. That's precisely why they pay. I believe this is just the start. This platform will continue to grow and do well.
In India, it's really difficult to make people pay for premium stock market content, for high quality equity research, and therefore just stunned and pleasantly surprised to hear that so early in its existence, Money Control Pro has hit 1 million users. Congratulations to everybody at Money Control Pro.
I'm here to share my experience in Money Control Pro. As I'm using this from past 3 years, it has given me good returns on my investment. Usually I'll be referring more current news, current updates about the market, how the market will be, and it also showed good results on my trading as well. So overall, I'm very happy with the Money Control Pro. So I'll encourage everyone to give it a try.
Your news is pretty comprehensive. More importantly, your macro news, specific focus on the economy. Somebody who, like me, who's a long-term investor, it's important to understand what your views are about the economy in a long-term, from a long-term perspective. Your Money Control app Pro app that is pretty good. It's something that I use at least once a day. Look at my portfolio, look at the news, and even your charting features, how basic, pretty nice. All in all, a pretty happy customer. great value for the subscription that I pay.
मैं रिटेल इन्वेस्टर हूँ। मैं मनी कंट्रोल प्रो की 3 साल से सब्सक्राइबर हूँ। मुझे इसमें जो टेक्निकल पिक्स आते हैं वो मेरा फेवरेट कॉलम है, क्योंकि एनालिस्ट के इसमें जो कॉल आते हैं वो काफ़ी अच्छे होते हैं, जिससे मुझे काफ़ी अच्छे बेनिफिट्स मिले हैं।
Heartiest congratulations for achieving 1 million Money Control Pro users. I am avid reader of your Guru Speak section and use it as one-stop solution for all the stock market related information.
I've been using Money Control since last 7 to 8 years. I'm especially fond of the feature where Santosh Pasi sir shares his options trades. The beauty of those trades are they are very simple. There is a logic, a rationale given as to why those trades are taken, and also in case the trade goes wrong, how to adjust in a simplest manner. So that really helps. It's a stress-free kind of trade. So thanks a lot for that. Thank you.
To everyone at MC Pro, wishing you the heartiest congratulations on reaching 1 million subscribers. I am proud to be one of the first ones. Though I must confess, I took it initially because I wanted to get rid of the ads. But it turned out to be a great investment, and I love the editor's picks, I love the Panorama Daily, I love the Weekender, and yeah, great job guys, keep it up, and thanks for Shakti Pumps, which has given me 10x return in the last 3 years.
Congratulations to Money Control Pro team for reaching the incredible milestone of 1 million customers. This is a testament to your dedication and contribution to providing valuable insights to investors. I've been a loyal Money Control Pro subscriber quite some time, and I must say that I'm quite hooked onto it. The morning emails give me a unique perspective of the market. Features like Guru Speak, technical calls, trader interviews offer invaluable insights. Keep up the excellent work, Money Control Pro team. Your contributions to the financial community is indeed commendable.